Morning, everybody. Let's cover corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are angles that you find when you're given this type of diagram where you have two parallel lines, such as line M and M. So right here, M and N. The way you know they're parallel is because they'll have this symbol here. That tells you they're parallel. And then you have this T line they call a transversal that crosses that. So corresponding angles, I like to call these angles copy-paste angles. And the reason why is because if you are to take these intersections, let's say this intersection right here, and let's number these angles. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. A lot of your figures will look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you take these angles and you take this intersection right here and pretend like you're on a computer and you copied this intersection, and then you took it and you pasted it on top of this intersection. Corresponding angles will be the ones that are on top of each other. So angle 1 and angle 5 will be on top of each other. Angle 2 and angle 6. Angle 4 and angle 8. Angle 3 and angle 7. And the reason why is because they're in corresponding positions, which is where this word comes from. Corresponding means in the same place with relation to each other. So here we go. I'm going to give you a little tip on how to identify them. This is what you're going to do. You're going to, every time you see a diagram like this, I want you to immediately go and color code, or you can do this with just a pencil, the opposite angles, the angles that are in opposite positions. So angle 1 and angle 4 are opposite of each other. Angle 5 and angle 8 are opposite of each other. And then I want you to go in another color, and I want you to go and color code the angles that are opposite of each other on the other side. So top right, bottom left. So now, what this is going to help you do is identify the angles that are congruent to each other. And then once you learn that corresponding angles are in the same location, the copy-paste angles. So if I copied angle 1, it would paste right here on angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. And look, they both are labeled with the orange angle mark, which means they are congruent to each other. So this is a really good way for you to identify your angles. Have a great day.